Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to download Lotus Bank app on your phone. If you are downloading this app on Android device, use Play Store, and in case of iPhone, go to App Store. Go to search option and in the search bar type Lotus Bank and hit search. Once the search result appears, you may get varieties of app. Locate the Lotus Bank and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID, password, or use Touch ID, Face ID for authentication. Follow the on-screen instruction to proceed. Once you entered your password, your app will start to download. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. This will take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the Lotus Bank app. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the Lotus Bank app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.